In this video, I'll show you something that you might have never seen before, a product that you probably don't need, but after watching this video, you definitely want to get. We are talking about the Ditoo, a creation by the company Divoom that actually were so kind to send me this product. Even though I normally create videos about creative gear, I thought that the people that like my desk setup video might also like a video about this product. It's a very interesting little device and it looks super stylish, but what can it really do? I'll tell you all about it in this video. My name is Felix, welcome to How to Creative, let's get started. Beginning with the unboxing, I was quite impressed. The quality of the packaging is amazing, and if you've been watching my videos before, you probably know that I like a good unboxing. Even though it's not as creative as the Wow Stick that I unboxed in the previous video, it's definitely in the top 10 product unboxing experiences that I've done till now. The first thing you'll notice when you get the Ditoo out of the mini fridge is the 6 keys that are actually blue switches. The mini fridge looking packaging also consists of a nice but short USB-C cable, the manual, and some stickers. Anyways, the Ditoo is available in different color themes: black, pink, white, blue, green, and red. They surprised me with the blue one, I like it a lot. It's also the only color scheme with a secondary more beige-ish tone, which I like very much. The orange key with the letter M is the menu key, and you can long press it to turn the keyboard backlight on or off. The plus and minus key increase or decrease the volume, and with the arrow keys you can go to the previous or next track or hold it to increase or decrease the brightness. The lighting symbol allows you to change the lighting function and hold it to change the lighting effect. Use the little lever to play or pause music and hold it to activate a voice memo. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? You can also use it to select items in the menu. On the right side of the device, you have a USB Type-C charging port, a button in the middle that can indicate a battery status with a quick press, disconnect from Bluetooth with a quick double press, or be held to power the device on or off. Lastly, there is a microSD card slot from which the device can play music. So let me tell you this, retro but beautiful looking product. The build quality and design of this thing has some weight to it too, and I did not expect the lever to feel sturdy at all. In fact, I'm quite impressed. Turning it on for the first time, you see a cool random animation and hear somewhat of a bass melody. Just when I expected it to boot Windows 1.0, it shows the time, a weather animation, temperature, and the calendar. Interesting stuff overall. If you press the button quickly, you can cycle through the different lighting styles. The last tab is the screen off. You can quickly customize all of these tabs with the app on your phone. You can change colors of the sections and change the weather, for example. Now regarding the menu, you can choose between games, consisting of Tetris, some others, and even Flappy Bird. Art, where you can color some pictures. A wrench, in which you can use a scoreboard, stopwatch, decibel meter, and a timer. An alarm, and music, in which you can choose to play from your phone connected via Bluetooth or the micro SD card. The sound is surprisingly rich for the size of this device.
for the stars at night and the darkness too. I've been knocked down too much to knock it back up, and I bring the house down whenever the odds are stacked up against me. I know no weapon formed shall prosper. Darling, I've been seeing. Don't know how to act. It's been a long, hard year. Time to relax. No, bless your heart. Don't let you back. She don't let you back. 'Cause she's a big sick now. No, bless your heart. Don't let you back.
Now some more specs. It has a 3000 mAh battery that in my opinion runs out pretty quickly if you have it play animations throughout the day. The screen consists of a 16 by 16 pixel display that I would say is definitely Divoom's USP, or in other words, unique selling point. I think the fact that you can create, upload and view animated pixel art is amazing. They even host events, and it's crazy how talented other pixel animators are. This device can also quickly show social media notifications, but I'm not a big fan of that. Anyways, to conclude my opinion on this product, the device is a vibe on its own. With all its bells and whistles, unique user-generated pixel content and flawless design, this is one crazy product. It is definitely an eye-catcher and makes a very cool prop on a desk or on a shelf. Sound quality is in my ears decent enough to be used as a portable speaker. It would make such a cool gift and is really fun to play around with.
So the real question is, do you need it? Probably not. But do you want it? That's the real question. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This was How to Creative, and I hope to see you in the next one, right? Don't forget, stay creative. A retro pixel art portable speaker, the Ditto. A retro pixel art portable speaker. The Ditto, a retro pixel art portable speaker. The Ditto. A retro... Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.